All right, guys, we got a 2019 Ram 1500 HEMI 5.7 liter Longhorn edition. Got some fancy wheels on it. This is what it sounds like before. Go ahead. You can see it's very quiet. Here's sound decibels. Again, right at 88. So we'll let you guys hear it after. 2019 Ram 1500 Longhorn. What we got done on it for you boys and girls today. Factory converters there and there. Wise into a single. Factory resonator there, a miniature one. Then we put a FLOWMASTER Outlaw right there. Part number 15430, there'll be a link in the description. Then we added the 3-inch pipe to complete it, where the muffler goes. You always have to add a sleeve in there. Then it wires out the top. Kept the factory resonators there and there. And then put some 5-inch big black tips rolled by 18. There, just to complete the look, complete that beautiful bumper, the aftermarket bumper he has on it. Just looks a lot cleaner, a lot nicer. So, like always guys, please like, comment, subscribe for more beautiful content. Where's on that? Perfect. Again. There's the stock muffler we cut off right there.